I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain.
I thought that was one of the finest first night musicals I've ever been to, and Judy felt the same.
Well, it's extraordinary.
I think it'll have everybody singing in the rain. It was fantastic.
Absolutely phenomenal. I mean, I was breathless watching it.
And I just fell in love with it.
I'm happy again.
It's bubbly, fizzy, joyful. It's got the most romantic story.
If you haven't seen the show yet, come and see it. It's the best night out in London. It will genuinely lift your spirits. It's got great singing, amazing dancing, and it's funny.
It's just infectious joy and good wet fun.
Oh, it's just a great night out. It's a great night out. Brilliant numbers. Very, very funny. A sort of, one of the best musicals I think ever written. One of the most popular musicals ever written. So there's nothing to not enjoy about it.